Hey, bro, let me get a cigarette. Shut up. That was some good little weed, though. I'm gonna ask her where she got it from. And it was a fat sack. Just watch. Just watch. Just watch this. You looking crazy a little bit. It's great exposed a bit. Want this right now. I bet you watch this. Watch out this. Watch this. Just watch. I promise you, just watch. Be looking crazy. Kiss me. Nah, I'm saying just watch when she comes. Thought about you too. For real. Trump, slugging on the Pope. Out of there right now. She out of there. Man got the peak eye and everything. What is it then? To crack it what? Which you are? Swallow your shit. She swallowed your shit.
Shit went over to my arm.
How many times she hit you? So she hit your nose in your eye.
She hit me in my nose. But that bitch went over to my arm. My nose went in her, but it like she pushed it over to my arm.
Oh, and it rubbed in her? It swallowed your shit instantly.
It started on Saturday.
When she hit you?
That night when we went to job.
Damn, if you was white, your shit would have been black. You ain't hit her back?
Yeah, I hit her back. She was crying because she can't get to me. I want her to get to me. She don't want to walk around the car.
That's why she was mad?
Yeah.
She was going crazy.
I jumped on in the back seat. She come out there while you swung on me when I was sitting in the seat. Shit. Jump on your ass while you in the back seat. She couldn't get up off the floor though. We had to pull out of there. Yeah, stop fucking with me.
I only get Wi-Fi like this. I had to grab some change and shit. Look. I be driving good change in Robert Joe. You done? You tapping that?
I'm hungry. I know the thing do shit. It's not that good. I'm hungry.
You be like that bullshit. I didn't say I'm hungry.
You wanna get them kids and come on while you fuck? That's it.
I gotta go to the bell though.
She need to go get them kids and come on while
Nah, I
you
gotta go put this paper in the courthouse.
fuck. She can swing you by though. I ain't trying to sit down. Don't even hold no coat.
You hungry a little bit.
I knew that.
Hey, Red, I got your ass on camera like you did.
Stop playing with me. Put that shit on that book. Take your ass to court.
I'm gonna put this bitch on YouTube like you
Take your ass to court, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm gonna say story